So today we're off to meet Simon again at a local kind of sort of park place. He's got a Phantom 3 Pro. Obviously I've got the Phantom 3 Standard, but I do have the ARGTek range extender on there. So what we're going to do is we're going to pit them against each other, see how the Standard with the ARGTek modification does against the Pro just with the stock aerial, because obviously, I mean, if you think about in terms of range, if you really wanted to get the most, would it be worth buying the Pro, spending the extra money getting the Pro, or just buying the Standard and then just doing the ARGTek modification to it? So we're going to find that out today. Yeah, so the weather is really nice. There's not many clouds in the sky. That could be a good thing, it could be a bad thing. I think it's probably a good thing. It's very cold today. It's only 2.5 degrees Celsius, so yeah, it's very cold. Yeah.
Off because I took off a few times.
I forgot to press it.
When I landed, I wasn't even recording.
Yeah. Right. Let's give it a test and see how we're looking.
The home point has been taken.
You can tell by the angle, guys.
Yeah.
But it's amazing how steady it keeps the camera.
I know.
I don't mind flying that way because I know it'll come back in the wind. It's just
Yeah.
maybe get some good leave the distance test for another day. Or
Yeah.
get some pictures of those boats and whatever else.
Yeah, it does a bit higher. Yeah, it flies down there. Look at that. Just fucking hurtles down there.
Yeah, well, you could do a speed test from over there. I mean, I don't know, you work out exactly what speed it's doing, but
Different story coming back. It's not too bad.
you're not getting any shot as often.
Yeah, no, I've taken them off. Oh, it's not too bad. Seems to be coping all right.
Yeah, no, it's pretty good in wind. It's just my problem was that once it had gone over the houses when I lost it, it just wouldn't return to home. Right? I was panicking, you know, keen. Did you do your silly dance? Did you
It's not doing too bad.
You
Jeez.
can tell by the angle, but the beautiful thing about the gimbal is it just irons it out, doesn't it?
Yeah, it seems to like go lower if I mean, considering that's the wind, that's staying pretty stable.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I don't think.
Alright, let's see what happens over here. Oof. Get the face the same direction, really, don't you? After the drone, aircraft disconnected. See, if I launch the app, it tends to come back again.
Hello.
that dog. Right. Oh, hello, I didn't see you there. Like the direwolf, that Game of Thrones.
Oi.
36 metres. It's alright, yeah. Oh my god, you should see the speed of this thing. It's nearly 20 metres a second. My aerial close. It's blowing my aerials off. Goes.
Like a rocket, isn't it?
The one that nearly hit you.
As soon as it comes into the wind, it just absolutely takes off. No issues really.
One nearly hit me once,
Really?
but it was that big. Thousands of pounds.
Wow. Yeah, yeah.
They were flying with the charge route towards the skipper.
Sorry to hear that. Good.
But it was that big. When I went on the internet, it was
Really?
about 4 or 5 grand.
Yeah.
Have you heard about this magic power mod? So basically, you can hack the this what? Weak signal.
No, what's it do?
You can hack the controller's power output, so you can go further, basically. So you can go further.
Where are you?
The other side of the water.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Goddamn brave pilot.
I'm at 46 metres.
Literally about the other side.
Yeah, but I've lost my signal.
I mean, the battery's too cold.
Yeah, it always says that to me though, even on a hot summer's... Oh well, you take it out and it's red hot, that's the thing.
It's probably not the battery, it's probably the sensor might be in the controller just warning. What height are you?
46 metres.
You coming back across?
Aircraft disconnected. Bring it home. I'm bringing it home at 1,000 miles an hour.
Making my eyes water this way, even though I've got my glasses.
I know, it's bad, isn't it?
Mine actually looks like it's on the other side of the river, but it's not even touched the river. No, it's alright. Well, I can see it. It's just like a little black speck at the moment. About 200 metres. It's not far, to be honest. Yeah.
Yeah, mine's out there as well.
It's about to just absolutely go bombing overhead. It's got the wind here.
Yeah, it's coming this way. You'll see mine coming across in any second. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, it's very windy today.
That is mine, isn't it? You're looking at it thinking it's yours.
Oh, where's mine? Oh, there's mine. I was wondering why it wasn't there. Yeah.
It's a bit bright sunlight. It is a little bit.
It's very windy today.
Do you know what, guys? I might get myself a sunshade.
Yeah, I think I want one of those.
It did vary, but I tend to from these models from 5 to 6,000. That's what the price range is. You're alright, thank you.
Hey, hey! I just don't want it to shoot. It's the propellers could start turning again.
The home point has been up. Take off.
The thing about the goggles as well, Danny, is that you're not worried about the sunlight at all unless you're sort of flying into the sun.
Yeah, exactly.
So it's like, have you tried any special moves that it can do, like the following? And,
No, I haven't actually. I've not even taken it out of PGPS mode, to be honest.
Because you could do a couple of videos just on that alone.
I wonder if it would, how well it would work.
Sort of following your file. 80% battery, like you.
I'm on 40. Don't really want to go too far. 40%. Might take it down a bit though.
I'm at 30 metres.
I'm at 39. I'll go Scope's 50 though.
Distance.
327. Come on.
360.
Go home.
I'm going to try the range extender.
I was going to go flying over our heads in a second. There it is. God, it's cold, isn't it?
These gloves they've got those mercury things so you can actually spy.
Oh yeah, that's useful. Nice pictures. Oh, that's why I'm pressing the wrong friggin' button. It is a nice shot over out towards directly above us is me.
Is it?
Yeah. How do you take a picture whilst you're in recording video? Can you do that, or do I just hit that? To hold it? Oh, it doesn't do it.
A bit lost. I'm not sure to be honest with you, without checking. I think you can just take it on your camera.
You're behind us, Si. Yeah, over there. Si, over that way.
Where?
Over there somewhere. I heard you go fly over that way. There you are.
Where?
There.
Oh yeah.
Oh shit, unless... Yeah, that is you, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. How high are you?
I'm alright. I've got a seagull up there. It's not moving.
Oh, you mistake, you drove for a seagull, that's pretty...
I'm gonna buzz the tower. I just literally lost it in the sun. It's a little bit dicey, isn't it?
The what?
In the wind, I mean, it'll just flip over really when it's.
Yeah, when it's this windy.
The low point has been updated. Take off.
Over where? Oh yeah. At 24, I might just make it over there as well. It's slow, isn't it? Yeah. You'll go full throttle.
Just feel it. It's one of those days where you shouldn't really take your eye off it. Really.
Yeah, definitely. Oh yeah. It's fine.
Adding mode.
Right.
It'd be interesting to know what speed the wind was.
I'll tell you one thing's for sure, that battery's not under 5 degrees. It's not under 5 degrees, that battery. It's the only warm thing going on around here. God, I didn't get so windy today. This wasn't the forecast. This wasn't in the brochure. Yeah. You'd have to what?
After next week, we're supposed to be in spring then.
Yeah, right. We'll see about that. Oh, watch outside. Shit!
I had a haircut this morning.
Fucking hell. Jesus Christ.
I know you want some video.
Fucking hell. That was bad. That was a little bit too close. No, I don't. Well, you would have been.
The iPhone's gone now. Oh, shit's away.
Did it try? Oh, it's it's fucking unbelievable. Oh God. Propeller started turning again then.
Yeah, I thought mine was switched on.
Jesus Christ.
Let's just see. I couldn't move out of the way, I was holding this. The goddamn.
Just like I can't believe it. You're not gonna. Don't flat into it.
No, it's not going to hit us, trust me.
Yeah.
Trust me. Wait to see what video you're going to put together for this.
Oh, Jesus Christ. I could see myself. I'm not even facing it. at 78%. Jesus Christ!
Tower.
This is insane.
I must have put the goggles on. Must have sort of plugging them in. Must have affected the.
Maybe it does.
Listen, I'm not going to lose it. It's going to buzz the tower. Fucking like. This is actually a bit low.
At least I can see you stood up, so I know it's going to take your head off before it takes mine.
Yeah, true. It's too loud. Do you know what? This would be brilliant without this wind. It's just like really put the mockers on it, isn't it?
Yeah.
I wouldn't mind trying the DJI ones. DJI ones are like a Wi-Fi, they're not tethered.
Right. Are they better than these? Have you ever tried it?
They're actually 1080 HD there. When I got it, they were like state of the art. Holy cow!
This is
Don't
mental.
Stop!
Jesus Christ. Yeah, but there's no glare or anything.
No, what about the only glare you'll get is probably if it looks towards the sun.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
Is it not?
No.
Like an expensive sunshade then, isn't it?
Yeah.
Curious to see the settings and see why it won't let me. That's what I mean, you don't know who's coming up behind.
Yeah.
Well, that's it. Liquid line further than that.
I'm going to have to put them down. My hands are absolutely frozen solid.
Let's try and put
A bit of a failed mission today. The idea was to do a range test with the Pro versus the standards, but it's way too windy. Oh, hello.
There you go.
It's alright, mate.
You're alright.